Alright, in today's video we are going to get this house ready for Christmas. We're gonna clean our kitchen and we're gonna hang some garland. I've actually never experimented with real garland. We normally put fake garland on our banister, well, our wrought iron banister. So I'm gonna be trying that out and see if that is gonna be a fail or something that we're gonna go with every year. So I picked some up from Costco, so that's gonna be new and exciting. We're gonna show you how we hang all the lights for our tree. So we have our work cut out for us, so let's get going. Do you think we have enough Disney glasses? Alright, I need to take down our Easter stuff. That's how long I have not done this.
Favorite part of it all, when you and me deck the halls, making everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied, Disney bonafide. And so are all of you. So fast, I wish I could somehow make them last. Put it in a bottle, stick a label on, saying do not open till summer comes. Well, right now let's savor this, and underneath the mistletoe get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so right now I'm gonna give it a try. And so are all of you.
Alright, so the next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna put these little houses that I got from Target, I think like last year or the year before. I'm gonna put those on the window. I feel like I had more last year, but this is what I was able to find, so let me see. I'm gonna probably play around with it and see how we can do this.
So many a time before, and if you've been really good, it's true. Santa Claus has got something for you. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. And so are all of you,
Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is my little tiered tray, which I don't know, it might be kind of empty right now. So we had these sitting outside on our deck and some water got in it and I had to throw a bunch of stuff away. So I think I'm just going to leave it more empty and then we'll see if I can find anything at the store this week. So, my parents actually picked these up from Pottery Barn. I think about like maybe when Lucia was a baby. Might have been even from Scarlett, but anyway, both the girls have one. These little Santa mugs. So I'm just gonna put those here. And then I picked these up last year from Hobby Lobby. I think it was these little like miniature rolling pins. So this says fa la la, and this one says joy. So I'm gonna just put them in. Okay, as you can see, it is looking very empty, but that's fine for now. And then I have this thing. I don't remember where I got it, so I don't know if we're gonna use this anywhere. I've gotta try to figure that out. Another possibility is I could hang it from the window. Might be too much though.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day.
So I think these curtains end up being just slightly like not wide enough for this window, but I'm just gonna leave it for now. I think it looks kind of better than it did, so we're just gonna go with it. Okay, I got this rug from Costco, so I'm going to put this outside before it gets dark because I didn't get a chance to do that yesterday.
See the end until he looked my way. I used to.
Okay, I'm going to attempt to hang the garland now for the first time. If you hear my toddler, she's like eating ice in the background, so just ignore her slurping. Okay, so we only have 2 zip ties, so I'm gonna try my best to do this.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Alright, now I'm finishing with this coordinated ribbon. If you watch my tree decorating video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm not measuring these ribbons. I'm just kind of eyeballing it, and then I'm going to measure the first one I did against each and all of them, so they're all the same length. Next time I need to know that I need to get zip ties because we only had 2, so I'm kind of like trying to make it work.
A moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Alright, so we're outside. It is very cold. It's like 32 degrees here today. Anyway, it is very cold outside. It's like 32. So I want to show you what we're working with. So if you remember, we brought all the Christmas stuff from inside our shed a couple weeks ago, and I apologize for the guy that's mowing the lawn behind us. So we started to drag everything out, and then it was gonna rain, so my husband covered it. So that's where it's been sitting here for the last 2 weeks now. So here is the monstrosity that we're dealing with.
Christmas lights are all around.
All right, so the good news is that a lot of our lights from last year, it seems like they're working because we had some problems with our Christmas trees. So hoping that these don't burn out once we get above on the roof, because that happened last year. Jose had to like get up there and replace some of them. So right now I'm like just basically separating the lights I want to have on the house, and I'm gonna feed them up to him and do all that. So it is cold. I wish we kind of would have done this like 2 weeks ago, but what are you gonna do, right? This is life, Christmas life in New Jersey. I ended up putting a hat on. It's like 4 o'clock, so we're running out of sunlight here. So I'm gonna see what we could get done today. Jose finished all of the lights on the roof. Let me see if I can have this on a, let me see if I can show you. He finished all of that. So now it's my job to do the front. So yeah, we'll see how much I can get done. Today I might have to continue tomorrow. I haven't looked at the weather forecast, but yeah, let's see. It's freezing outside. Alright, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. If we're not already friends, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like, it really does help to support the channel. And we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching, bye!